want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor World. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am unboxing. Wait, what is this? Bubble camera! Yay! Okay, first see the front, then the sides. See the clean side, and one more side, and the back. First, let me read you the instructions how to do this. Because it's Chinese. Okay, so we cannot read the instructions. Okay, and only thing that I can read on this is bubble camera and 3+. Nothing else. La la la. Okay, opening. Okay, come on out. I think it should be a camera. Oh, I think I opened it upside down. Wait, sorry. Okay. So this is the camera. It's not actually a camera, it's a bubble camera. So only bubbles, not a real camera, only bubble. Okay, and this is the material to make the bubbles. See? And this is to tie it over here so we can make it like a necklace. Okay, so first let's see. We have to open this. There is 3 batteries in there. 3 AA batteries. Okay. And what is over here? Oh, this is the space to put where the bottle comes. And this is the button to make bubbles from here. Okay. So first we need to put our batteries. There are 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries. Okay, so I have them in my pocket. Maybe yes. Okay, so let me put. Okay, so 1 battery. Okay, now where is the other battery? Where did I? There. And the last battery put in. Oh, it's working. Yay. Okay, so now we have to close this over here like this. Wait, sorry. Okay, now let's put some bottles in there. We have to not put it like this only. We have to look. Wait. Okay, first we have to open it. Sorry, eat. Okay. Then, come on. Okay. We have to put this. Wait. We have to close it. Wait. Let me show it to you here. Okay, closed. Now just put it in and wait and close it. Now it's making bubbles. Wait. Ah! That was. Yay! It's making bubbles. Oh my god. Oh! Ah! 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 Oh my god! Okay, pop 1 bubble. Oh my god. See, they are all over the place. Over here there are no bubbles. Yay! Oh my god. Let me just. Ah! It's all over my clothes. Okay. So, you know that's how it works. So, bye bye friends. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor World. Bye bye. 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 Now let me play with bubbles.